welcome to another video and another unboxing.
Woohoo!
Not just an unboxing.
The vegan box unboxing.
Our favourite box, to be honest.
We love everything these guys stand for.
Exactly. We've got our water. And we're ready to open this box with you guys. We've actually already done 2 unboxings with this brand before, and this is our 3rd one. So we'll link the 2 videos that we've already done down below if you want to check them out. This is kind of becoming a bit of a regular on our channel now.
It's fun. It's so much fun. We actually had a little bit of a venture with this box before we even got unboxing, because we thought, well, as you probably know, or may not know, we've been camping the last week, and we thought, that'd be so cool to do an unboxing while we're camping. But guess what? You forget about the elements. There was wind, wildlife. So here we are.
Here we
back
are.
in the office.
With the box unopened.
Let's get into it. I'm excited because
I'm really excited.
I know the vegan box always have the best vegan products, to the fact that I don't know where she sources them from, but great job.
I know,
hey?
well done.
Such a good job.
Yeah.
And we support all the businesses still to this day from the very first one that we did, because they're just really good quality products. And
So tasty. And when I say tasty, we're doing the vegan snack box today. Last time we did the beauty box. That was our first beauty box that we've opened. This is our second snack box. If you don't know, the vegan box is monthly. So every month you get a little surprise where you discover new vegan products every month, which is really cool.
we feel very fortunate and very grateful that the vegan box gift us as beautiful boxes every month, so we get to do a review on it and show you guys some delicious products.
And hopefully inspire you guys to check this box out as well. And we want to see you guys tasting these products.
Yeah, so tag us on Instagram, Renee and Kerrie.
We post daily.
It's so fun seeing you guys. Oh, that reminds me, I have to show Renee, someone who we don't know, just tagged us in tagged us in a post of 2 alpacas doing this. That I was like, oh, that's so Renee and I.
There'll be a lot of that in this video, I reckon.
Oh, we do try to align with all the companies that we do the reviews for the snacks, because obviously we're huge advocates for the animals and cruelty free. So yeah, we do try our best.
And also, the vegan box is an Australian box, so it's only shipped in Australia. But I'm sure if you're watching this and you're in another country, I'm sure your country may have similar boxes like this. It's just really great because you can source different vegan products. There's so many products in these boxes that we've discovered that we've fallen in love with. So without the vegan box, we wouldn't have found these amazing products. So
no. Do you know what? I mean, I know I've said it before, but they make such a good gift. Like, these guys, what are they, $25 a month? Or you can buy it singly. So we just had this idea that we're going to get some for Christmas.
Yep, because Christmas is coming up.
Christmas at Christmas.
So, oh my god, this is such a perfect gift. Like,
Especially like a teacher.
or a colleague.
Yeah.
Guarantee.
And
They'll love it.
there's also a little bonus for you for supporting this beautiful company, is we have a discount code.
Renee and Kerrie.
10% off. That kind of covers your shipping costs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, right?
And we will link the vegan box website down below. So all the information's on their website, and they have an Instagram as well.
I want to show you their Instagram because I really want you guys to support them as much as you support us.
This is their Instagram.
And oh, you guys have got to hurry up.
She's just put up a post. The products in this box, low stock warning. So if you want to get your hands on the products in this box that you haven't seen yet, the link's down below. Get in quick because
We can tell you there are some gems in this box. Oh, hey, look at his little teeth.
so many cute posts on her Instagram.
Oh, their Instagram account is beautiful.
Yeah. All right. I reckon we should get into this because I want to see what's inside. I'm also kind of ready
a
for
bit
some
hungry.
snacks.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. I
But what's the
know.
drink? Oh, this is so colourful. Look at all the
Whoa.
colours exploding out of it.
This
Alright.
is exciting. We should start with
What
the
is
drink.
this? Oh, it's a protein.
Protein shake. I've never heard of this brand before. So it's tonic plant, 20 grams of protein. I'm really excited to give this a taste test.
Can we do it now?
Yeah. As Kerrie was pouring the protein shake, I really wish you could smell it. So chocolatey. Look at it. I know it kind of looks like a funny colour in the camera.
Cheers, girl. Oh, it's so chocolatey. Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah. So hydrating. Jeez, didn't last long, did it? I want a bucket load of these. Vegan box. You're amazing. That noise never gets old.
So good.
The taste is there. It's not watery. It's rich.
Thick.
Yes.
And it's not powdery. High quality pea and rice protein. It's a healthy protein shake. Comes in a little bottle, so it's like you can take on your adventures. I feel like we should get like a pack of these to take on our adventures.
You know we are.
There's actually
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7 products in this box. That protein shake is actually by the brand Tonic Nutrition. Yeah, it's got all of their socials on the card, so if you want to go check out their product or you love their product and want to buy more, the link's on this card, so that's really handy. You're next. You pick the next product.
My favourite protein powder. Ooh. Excuse the nail polish. I went camping and it's chipped off. Macro Mike. I have their protein powder and I've never actually tried it.
No, we put the protein powder in the oats.
When we went camping. Overnight oats.
In our camping vlog, which we'll link down below. Yeah, that was really yummy. We got some really good camping vegan breakfast ideas, meal ideas. I feel like we filmed like every time we ate. So we love food.
Here we go. Sorry. If you don't already know, I don't know what it is with me opening packets, but
There we go. Oh, it's a cookie. Is it a cookie?
yeah, smell.
Oh wow.
Okay, here we go.
Plant paste, all natural ingredients, 16 grams of plant protein, gut friendly, no gluten, no dairy, no nasties, no fake fiber, no soy. Oh my god, I wish you guys could smell
flavour
this
is
right
it?
now. Choc chip almond shortbread. I can smell the shortbread. Oh my gosh.
Oh, look, it's the smiley face on it.
Wait, look at that.
Hello, we just made a new friend.
I don't want to eat it now.
Look at his little eye. You
Yum.
chopped it right
Oh.
down. Oh,
Choc chip protein cookie. Cheers.
cheers.
Oh, it's sticky. It's sticking to our teeth.
Oh.
That's so yum.
I could live off these.
Are you kidding? Oh my god. That tastes literally like your grandma made it. Oh my god, I love the texture. If you like, you know, like chewy choc chip cookies?
It's like cookie dough.
There's no refined sugars in it. Oh my gosh, if you guys haven't heard of that natural sweetener, I really don't know how to pronounce it, but I put the name of it right here. It's a really healthy sweetener, but that's what it's made of. Oh my gosh, I think I've fallen in love with Macro Mike. If you have not tried these, can you please let us know what you guys think of these?
Huge fans.
Well done. Gosh, the vegan box sources so many good products.
I'm always impressed with the vegan box. Like, there's never going to be a disappointment with it.
No. Next one.
This is a non-edible product.
Oh,
I like
cute.
it.
These are actually really pretty.
Aren't they?
These would look really good in like food photography. Like if you're taking pictures of food and putting it as like posts, which we do on our Instagram. This would be a really nice little...
I know. They'll go with the coconut bowls. It's Cocoa Candle Co. coconut fork and spoon set.
Oh,
Say that fast 10 times.
wow.
They're nice and smooth, hey? They're going into Xena. They're going
I was just about to say
straight-
that. Straight into our adventure car. All right, next up.
I've been eyeing off something a bit of fun.
How are we going to eat that? What? Vegan candy. Strawberry kisses. Look at this. Do I look like Kerrie now? Oh my god, look, I do. No, don't. That's scary. Wow. Look at you. Oh my god, you look so scary.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Your turn.
Good. Oh, you like it? There you go. These are really good.
My taste buds are having a treat this afternoon.
No.
Let's get into more food. While Kerrie's still chewing on the lolly, I'm going to show you another product that I just found in the box. And it says I'm in home compostable packaging.
Good for your tum, your bum, and your skeptical mum.
And even the planet.
Who are these guys?
Yeah.
Raspberry, what does it say? Raspberry Power Cube. More.
Do you know what I really like? I like that it says cube. You'd think it's a ball, but it's a cube.
You're onto something.
Oh, yum. Like,
Ooh. Oh, it smells like a Lemington.
cheers.
Cheers. Oh, hello.
The macadamia. And like the tangy raspberry.
And I like that it's fluffy. Oh, the
yum.
raspberry.
The raspberry. It's like all these different flavors
You
in
get the
this.
explosion of it. It's such a nice time of year to eat raspberries. It's got that real spring taste about it.
It's currently spring in Australia. I approve. That's good.
I
really
approve.
good. I just want to try all their flavors. I love the packaging. Oh, we've only got 2 more products to go. You literally get
A meal.
a taste test of vegan dahl.
Do you want to have it now?
Yeah, we'll have that now. Oh my gosh, it's from Plantazy Foods.
Oh, we love their
Mac and cheese. We had their mac and cheese on our camping vlog.
It was delicious.
So good, so good.
I'm really impressed because we really like their mac and cheese, and now I'm like, they do dahl. Ah, if you could smell what we can smell.
So much smells going on.
Look at it. Smells so good. And you know what?
It smells creamy. Let's give it a taste. Cheers for some savouriness. Ooh. Ooh.
How nice is this?
Do we put herbs in it?
Oh, we didn't put a little parsley in there. Fresh babes from the garden. Doo-doo. I love that you can eat chunky bits in there. Oh, I can taste like turmeric.
Yeah, this is really healthy.
Apple fibre. Yeah, right. You can taste it all. It's just a really nice combination. And to be honest, putting the fresh herbs on top, I feel for me, has just kind of made it really alive. Hey.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I can taste the like acidy kind of flavour. Like the apple.
It's got lime in here. I can taste the lime.
Oh, it's the lime. That's what I can taste. I don't think anything's disappointed us today.
No way. This is so going on my hit list.
Hit list, hey?
My hit list. After we do the vegan box, we always like go, yep, we'll get those for snacks for our next adventure. This would be really nice to take camping.
It's so easy. You just boil the jug and you've got a meal, like a healthy meal.
And you can even lay little bits of toast to dunk in it.
Oh, you got all the lumps in there.
I know, but I like them. Yeah.
That's a good mouthful.
That's good. Tick, tick, tick. Okay, so all of these products so far are going on our hit list. We need to know how to pronounce
Yerba mate.
How to pronounce yerba mate.
Oh, yerba mate.
Now that we know how to pronounce it. Yerba mate.
I've never heard of this herb,
Me too.
but we're about to try it.
It's certified organic, plant-based energy. And so the brand's called Naturally Driven. We just checked out their Instagram and oh my gosh, it's got some really cool posts in there.
Drinks.
Yeah, and drinks.
We should make a cup of tea. Let's go, chicken.
Let's go make some tea.
Oh, that's a little bit nourishing, isn't it?
That's a good tasting tea.
It's kind of flowery.
And I love that it's like rose coloured. Oh, that makes sense. It's got rose on the packet. Oh, and hibiscus. Oh, it's got like a sweet taste.
Did you get that too?
Did you get that as well at the same time?
It's like something your nana would make you when you go over to her house. Oh, hello.
Boost energy and focus, super high in antioxidants, speeds up your metabolism, natural caffeine, it's got potassium, calcium, magnesium, protein, it's certified organic, Australian owned.
Oh, I like this. More truth, less ingredients.
I feel like we should end the video with these yummy cups of tea.
Cheers.
Cheers to another successful
Unboxing.
vegan box unboxing. Very impressed.
I just want to go and sit on the couch now and have cups of tea and chat.
I also want to jump on their website and order the November snack box.
Treat yourself to one of these beautiful vegan boxes. I know that there's limited numbers of the October ones, so jump online, theveganbox.com.au, use Renee and Kerrie, all lowercase, to get 10% off. Do it.
And definitely recommend the October box. I just want another one. But I feel a little bit mean buying the October box from people who haven't tried it yet.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for commenting.
Seriously,
liking.
so grateful. Like, we
Aren't
say
we?
thank you from our hearts. And we are so excited to see you in our next video. So make sure you subscribe because we upload weekly at the least, because we have been sprinkling some extras like this one. This one's going to be an extra.
Don't forget to give us a love on our Instagram. Come and hang out with us daily.
Renee and Kerrie. I'm Renee. This is Kerrie. Look how amazing Kerrie's looking. She's been dairy free for...
Yes. How much? A month now?
But I feel like we need to do a separate video on this, but oh my gosh, I can't get over how dairy affects people. If you guys need help going dairy free,
hit us up. Ask us questions.
I just can't believe 1 month can do this. You're not puffy anymore.
Yeah, I was really puffy in the face.
Look at her face. Watch this space because we may come out with a health series.
We're just two girls who wanted to be our happiest self and get our happy on.
And inspire you guys to do the same. Thank you so much for watching, and we're going to see you next week. And also thank you to the vegan box.
Danielle, you're the best.
You are the best. Thank you so much.
Actually, tell us what's your favourite product out of the vegan box.
I want to see your reaction to tasting the cookie.
Tag us in it. And if you don't want us to share it on your stories, just say so.
Yeah, just let us know.
Anyway,
we'll see you in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.
I got a new friend. His name's Toad.